If you've ever wondered, am I missing something? Am I getting this right? What do I check next? You're in the right place. I'm Jennell Cook, creator of the Simple Health Test Method and author of Wellness is Your Business. For more than 40 years, I've worked with wellness practitioners, product sellers, body feedback users, families, and pets, and I keep seeing the same problem. There are more products, protocols, opinions, testing tools, and wellness information than we've ever had before. But more information doesn't always make the next decision easier. This channel is here to help you think differently about wellness decisions. You'll find practical teachings, real demonstrations, body feedback insights, case examples, and simple ways to ask better questions before choosing the next step. Because you're not just choosing what sounds right, you're learning how to verify what truly fits the person or pet in front of you. If you want to build more confidence behind the wellness decisions you make, hit subscribe and start with the free Simple Health Test Starter Kit.